Such a model would vastly increase the potential for the genome model to carry a huge volume of information in a tiny volume of RAM. However, random frequency patterns resonating across 3 by 10 to the 9 DNA bases does not constitute an operating system unless there is a constant mathematical relationship between all the bit values in the system. This potential should provide the sync required to control the system. I thought a lot about that and thought of lots of different potential sync sources. And the best one, the one that comes to mind most readily, is naturally occurring harmonics. And harmonics would provide the required mathematical relationships between all the values in the system. So there's lots of harmonic systems out there, and in the case of humans, we may speculate that the common musical scale is a suitable fit to provide the sync for the human genome. And it's an interesting idea, and a lot of evidence exists, circumstantial evidence exists, that this might be the case. If so, it may well provide a new theory for the origin of species. And I think it'll be interesting when we get further down the track to see whether that's right, whether species is based on the type of harmonic relationships in the system. But as far as humans go, babies appear to have perfect pitch. That's interesting observation by science, that if you play music to babies with one discordant note and you can adjust the level of the discord, that babies hear that discordant note and respond to it physically by cringing mostly, like chalk on a blackboard. But they'll respond way beyond where humans, adults, can hear that discord, and apparently they have perfect pitch. That's amazing, because the musical scale is a very complicated thing, and so it's evidence that we're born with this thing built in. If a musician loses their faculties due to degenerative disease and lose coordination and the ability to speak, remember, they can still play music. It's a skill that's probably the last thing to leave. So maybe it is, maybe the musical scale is something that is embedded within us to the very core of our being. But it's not necessary to prove this point or any of that to consider the problem theoretically. This is a theoretical data system, an operating system that I'm discussing, and whether it exists in humans or not, or any living system, doesn't make it any less interesting as an idea. I think that it would work in a computing situation as well. It's a theoretical model. Some would say it's a heretical model of an operating system that may account for the deficiencies of the human genome. As a theoretical model of a high-performance processing system, it has the potential to outperform the current binary computer systems. I'm not sure how it would be made. Maybe it could be made of tissue similar to living tissue. Maybe it would operate in the same type of environment as a living cell. Maybe you could do it on a living cell. I have no idea. But I offer this idea, crazy idea as it is, on the off chance that someone will see the potential, somebody out there in YouTube land will see the potential and may be able to apply the resources required to investigate the matter further. I hope you found this talk interesting, and stay tuned for more of the same, more ideas based on these principles. And I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.